thank you very much to Lisa and Kylie for nominating me for the award. I'm very thrilled and excited to have received it. It's always nice to receive recognition from your peers and colleagues. A few people I'd like to thank. I'd like to thank my colleagues within the THS, especially those in the Northwest at the Northwest Regional and the Mersey Hospital, for putting up with me talking about COVID vaccines for so long, and all the organising that we did together to have the rollout go out successfully through the state. A special mention to Duncan McKenzie, who alongside me probably did a lot more work than I did in this space. And Duncan, you're amazing, and I'm thrilled to have worked with you so closely on this. And finally, to my wife Casey and my 3 cadets at home, thank you for having to listen to me talk about this sort of thing all the time, putting up with me not being home for a few sort of trips away, and not being overly present for parts of 2020, 2021, but I really appreciate everything you guys do for me, and everything that you've always done. So thank you.